All right, it's recording right now. You can spread it to zoom in on me. All right, or zoom in.
I'm scared.
Okay, well here, just
Don't spread. Spread
All
later, huh? Richard, it's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright. Oh. I got it. Oh.
I'm doing it, Daddy.
Yes, you are, son. I can't even watch. Uh-oh, there he is. Okay, I'm gonna close it in. I made it too big. Where are we? Where are we? Oh, there we are. Where am I? Oh, there he is. I haven't even had a chance to watch. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I should have it tied to my head, Chad. I should just tie it to my head. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, boy, he is hauling. You go chase that seagull, Chad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. I know. I haven't really had a chance to watch. I should just tie it to my body. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Holy smokes. Ooh, that was a good one. Hell yeah.
So cool.
I need a private to actually watch this without filming. Oh my God. You are an acrobat now too. Uh-oh, I'm gonna get hurt. Oh! You survived that? Jesus. Oh, there we go. Hey, Chad, look. Yeah, there we go.